from the Brunnebucker and the quarantine Piedmont of the southeastern United States, this is ACE Academy 7-8 Science. Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you end up being and watching this. So, with the resulting closing of school due to the coronavirus and everything else going on right now, I'm going to do things a little bit differently for giving you your science presentations for the rest of the year. So, as we get into this, you'll see, and I'm hoping it'll be interesting and worth your time to watch. So, going forward, we will have a new whiteboard here at the house, but we have familiar friends too. Brunrad is here, hanging out with us as well. So, start off. So what's going to happen every day is I'm going to put these videos into Google Classroom. Your day's assignments will come up. The first place you'll stop is on that front page in the stream with the dailies, the information. So the first thing you hit is watch the day's vid. Watch the vid. So you'll watch the video from me for whatever day it is, and I'll kind of lay out how that day's going to go as far as what you're doing. Some days will be more information for me and less work. Other days will be like, hey, we're just going to rehash what we did yesterday real quick and then go off and extend or finish an assignment. I'll be asking you guys to do some things with our normal online activities. So we'll be using, so once you watch the vid, if I direct you into any other, daily, the rest of the stuff, so use other resources. So what other resources I'll put in there in the front page. If I ask you to go watch something or read something, that's where it'll be. And then lastly, we'll go to the classwork section where, that'll be the work, where the work will be. So we'll be using Quizlet again. So Quizlet will be your vocabulary tool. So you'll be putting words into Quizlet. Most of those words will come from whatever the lesson, it'll be definitions will be supplied by the lessons I give, so make sure when you're picking definitions that they match what I've said in the video and the lesson and the information that I give you. You'll be building those lists and then you'll be studying them, so you'll be doing run and learn cycles on them, and you may have aced the learn cycle from the previous time and I may ask you to do it again, so I'm asking you, make sure you do it again so that you're learning that vocabulary. We'll be doing write cycles and some of the things inside there, but you're reporting your results just like you did before. You'll open a doc in the assignment, put in, I'm familiar with blank number and I mastered these. Just remember when you do the learn cycle, you got to go down to that counter of words left, read 0. It'll be 0 words left, X number familiar, and then X number mastered. So that'll be quizzes, Quizlet. We'll also be using quizzes just like we have in the past. So again, you'll be taking the daily ones to 80%, just like we did before. But hey, again, if you want to do it 6 or 7 times and kind of memorize the questions and the answers, that's one way of doing it. But I would prefer if you took it and didn't do so well, go back, take it. And when you have a question that you don't know, go out, use the other information, use your notes, take notes from when I'm talking, answer those questions, that way, and then come back, plug in the right answer and go on. So, hopefully, I've seen you guys doing like 2 or 3 attempts at it and before you hit 80%, and that's it. But if you want to do it the other way, that kind of works too. So, it's not, I'm saying you can't, but I'm just not saying that's optimal. We'll have other assignments as well, whether it's ask, respond to these questions, or try to actually go out and do some stuff. For the 8th grade, we're headed, as soon as we take the assessment at the end of next week, we're going to go right into weather, hydrosphere, atmosphere, the environment, that kind of stuff. That'll be 20 days worth of that, 20 class days worth of that. And you'll see, some of the videos will be shot outside, and since we can shoot video anywhere, as long as we're socially distant, we'll do along those lines. So it's going to be different, and I'm hoping you guys will appreciate the effort that we're putting into this and making sure that we take care of this and do our science on a regular basis and get it turned in just like we were in regular school. Because this doesn't look like it's going to be something that's going to be over real soon. So this this may be the way we do things, you know, for an extended period of time. So take it for what it is, laugh at it, use the Google Classroom to ask questions. So I'll probably turn comments back on. Don't use the comments to talk, to chat with each other. Use the comments to ask questions. If I get enough questions on a particular thing, I may do a short video to answer all those questions at the same time. But we'll play around with it, and because this is a new and evolving thing for me, just like it is for you guys. So we'll do the best we can, and I want you guys to stay safe out there, right? And remember your social distancing.